Just position.html. In position file, HTML we can follow. Head also we can write. Style we can open. Style we can close. Body we can open. Body we can close. Now inside this, first you see the position called sticky. Position fixed we have seen already. Then position sticky you have seen. Next is called position static. Next is called position static, relative and absolute. 3. Right one, division, give class equal to any class we can give. Product. Write anything, apple. Same class repeat many times. Let it be apple, 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 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so apple, apple, apple we wrote, class name is called product. Now go here, write the CSS for product. Inside that, you will write margin of this, margin 30 pixel, 30 pixel. Why? Let's give margin percentage 2%. Text align center. Center, background, blue, color white, font size 50 pixel. Then go to right here, left. Here you write 21%. Height you write 180 pixel. Got it? See it now. You will get multiple blocks. Okay. Remove height, put padding. Padding from top 50, left right 0, bottom 50. Okay, done it. Save now. Something like this. We have not added any position. Let's add a position static. Add a position called static. Position as a static. Any difference? Difference? We can run here, no difference, right? So by default, position is static. By default, position is static. Yeah. Now let's give position as a relative. Position as a relative. Any difference? No difference. Right. So in position relative, also you will not find difference. Whatever the margin padding you have given, all will apply. So margin, how much you have given? 2% will apply. Then padding and all as usual it will apply. But once you write position absolute, you will see the difference. Absolute. Now difference. How many are coming? All are coming, but all are one place itself. Okay. You can see position absolute once you write. Starting of all the division will be same. And since all are equal height and width, so you will find like there is only one. But it's not only one. There is a many. Okay. To understand that, right here, Apple 1, Apple 2, Apple 3, Apple 4, Apple 5, Apple 6. Apple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which one is showing? 6. Like it is a stack. One after other, one after other, one after other, one after other. Whoever will come in the last, that will be visible. Okay. So position static is the default one. When you write position static, then also it will be have same. If you are not writing, then also we have same. Position you have written for the relative. When we write position relative, your margin and padding will work. margin and padding will work. So gap was coming one after other, one after other. It was happening properly. But when you write position absolute, your margin will not work. Okay, margin will not work. There will not be any, you can say, the gap between element. Starting position of all will be same. So when starting position will be same, all are same height and width. Which one is that? Sixth one, right? So in my case also showing Apple 6. Now if anyone asks, what we can answer? What is position? We can say position is the property of CSS3. It helps us to apply a certain position for element where by default static will come. If you apply, then also no problem. If not apply, then also no problem. When we apply the position as a relative, the margin property will work. The margin, whatever we give 20, 30 pixel, 1%, 2% from surrounding, it will work. When we write position as a absolute, the starting position of all the element will be same. So margin will not work. Okay. Next, another you have seen. There we have written called position fixed. When you have written position fixed navigation, remember single page application we have made. Whenever you scroll up and down, it will remain same. That was position as a fixed. Maybe some page I have run here. Should be here. And see this one. Header is fixed, footer is also fixed, this is also fixed. This is called position fixed. Called position fixed. But Apple was not coming in center. Then Apple was not coming in center. Now see Apple is in center. Change that to which one? No, he have the doubt in relative. Relative. I wrote relative. See here. All are in center only, no? All are. This is also in your center. This is also in the center. All are in the center. When you write it, absolute, what is happening? Apple 2 will go on the top of Apple 1. Apple 3 will come on the top of Apple 2. All will go to each other on the top of that, where 6 will come in the last. You are not looking from the bottom of the table, you are looking from the top. So you will see only the higher index element, you will not see the lower level index element. Now you see Apple is in the center. Apple is in the center. If I refresh it, now also Apple will be in the center only. Whether it is position or absolute, every time it is in the center. Hello. Calling from? Thank you. Okay, come next then. Position, this one you have seen, sticky you have seen, one example. This is the example of position sticky. Before that, example was of fixed. And in this you saw, this is called position is a absolute. The starting position of all the element will be same. So we cannot see all the element. Margin will not work simple. Margin will not work, your float will not work. Starting of all will be one place. When you write as a next called position absolute, it will happen like that. Position relative will follow the surrounding. Margin padding plus your float and all will get applied. Position static is the default one. Yes. Yeah. Next, we have called another example of flex. Create one example called flex.html. Flex.html. In Flex, you have option. No need to write that. Float left. No need to write the display inline. We can write as a display flex. So inside all the element will convert into inline. Like suppose inside a division or maybe inside a UL, you have multiple li. So for UL, you will write display flex. So what will happen? All the li will convert into inline. All their child element will convert into inline. That is display flex. And then again, flex how you want, row wise or column wise. If you want column wise, then display will be some property called as a column, else we can say as a row. Okay. Let's write inside. Spacing wise, there is a multiple property we can see. Follow the head section. Open the style block. Follow the body tab. Now inside that, let's follow one UL tab and write one many li tab you can write. Maybe you can write link one or home you can write. About. Services. Count. Users. Write for this call ID. NAV. Now we can go to the CSS part and write here hash nav padding 15 px, padding 15 px. Yeah. Okay. No, madam. No. Already done. No. Okay. Background is black. Now right inside display colon flex. Display colon flex. Now all the LIs would convert into inline. All the LIs would convert into inline. See, all converted into inline. You can write here list style type none. List hyphen style hyphen type colon none. Dots will get removed. List hyphen style hyphen type colon none. Dots will get removed. Now dots will get removed. Dots is gone. Next, you have to write the CSS for this li. How much space you want to give? Correct? Because all converted into inline. Okay. Let's go next. Right there. Has nav space li. Nav space li. Padding. Top, let it be 15 px. Left, right. Apply 40 px. Bottom also convert into 15 px. Color as white. Font size 20 pixel or 22 pixel. Padding applied, font size, color and all. So happen like this. Padding become double in this. 15 you have written here and 15 you have written for nav also. So total become 30 pixel. So you need to remove from the nav. The ID you have written in nav, remove from there. Then padding will be controlled, else it will be huge. Remove the padding from nav, then it will be something like this. Coming. Next, in media query, suppose if you are running this page in mobile phone, see, it is not ready to. Oh, how many are coming? Where are remaining? Customer after that? It is here only, but it is hiding somewhere, correct? Hiding? Okay, hold on. Give here width 100%. 100%. For a media query, you have to manage that. Width 100% once you wrote. How much is going to occupy is covering, but not covering complete. Similar or different? This still happen here. Width I wrote, then that become wrong. I should cut the width. Here without width is okay. It's taking required space. But you can see here, this went wrong. We can write media query and we can manage that. If the device is small, all should go to the new line. If device is small, all the li should go to the new line. So now it is coming in the column. Now it is coming in column, not column. It is coming as a 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 4, 5, 6, correct? So we have to break into row. So then it will go to the new line. then it will fit. So, here, something like this. Come down, write one CSS here, @media, screen, and mean width, mean width, one pixel, and max width, let's keep 600 pixel. In that case, the nav we have written, the ID nav, hash nav, we can use the property called DisplayRow. We can use the property called DisplayRow. I'll guide you. Flex direction column, flex direction rows will be there. Flex direction columns, flex direction row. It will be column we have to write. Flex hyphen direction direction column exclamation import important. Set higher priority so that it will change. We will see once it came to the new line, more than 600. We have other solution. Try this. You need to reduce the padding also in the nav of LI. Padding 40 pixel we are given. We need to reduce that padding to somewhere 15 pixel from all the side. Only 15 px, or you can write 3 times 15 px also okay, because from left side more space is coming, so you need to customize that space. Working? No? Try, no? I did. You are even absent many days. Another CSS is going on in the morning time, 7 o'clock. So if you are available, you can join online. Okay, got it now? Check once. So now space got reduced from left side. 15 is coming. Once it's going up little more, it's happened like this. Right? So this is again coming problem. This 6 we can make up to 650, and then from 650 to next we can change a little the padding of elements. Let it be till 650 and come down. So media screen and minimum width 1 pixel and maximum width 650 pixel. Then nav flex direction column important. Else nav li padding 15 15 15 is given, okay, but when the device is between 650 to somewhere till 800, 900, we should reduce the padding of this UL tag. So for that, another media query. So till here, it's working for you. Check now in a small device up to 650. Up to 650 is okay here. This exclamation important we need to write. Is it working or not? Check. Exclamation important. Okay, remain similar. That become for 1 pixel to 650 pixel. After and leave a space. Yes. Okay, next after this, we need to come down and write the media query for other type of device. Please check once page is loading or not. Now page should load, but according to device, up to 650 pixel, the flex direction becomes a column. More than that, it is as a row. When it is row more than 650 pixel, you can see a space we have problem. We can reduce the space, then it will fit. Come down, write again @media. This media query I am sending in the chat. This media query I am sharing in the chat. You can use till there. This is for other device. Screen and min hyphen width 651 px and max width up to 800 or 900 you can give, or 1000 pixel. 900 let it be. Then this the nav of li. In the nav of li, inside the nav tag, inside the nav id you have li. First reduce the padding 6-7 pixel from all the side. Then after that, change the font size. Change to somewhere 17-18 px. It may fit properly. Sequence, okay, but become very less, right? Padding should be more. 10. Try with the 10. Font size 18-19 should be okay. This is up to here. We can increase little till 950. At what particular point some problem is coming, change still till 950. We'll give there only. Suresh is there? Okay, so up to 930 will be okay. After that also, correct? Okay, so now come to another type of example. Next file we can create flex2, flex2.html. There we'll try to arrange the blocks. Or media query we have written in this same file also we can write. Continuing the same file, use a section tag. For that section tag, you write ID equal to container. ID equal to container. Now in this container, whichever the division will come, all will follow the flags. Okay. Inside this division, whichever the division will come, all will be based on flags. But division will not write directly. For division also you will follow a class. Okay. So the file you are storing in import, you have photos also there. Okay. Write the division. Class equal to, you can write anything, item or blog, anything is fine. Blog. Come under the blog, write h2. This is from blog 1, img, src, 1.jpg. Okay, will not write any kind of class for this, will manage through the CSS directly. We will follow the paragraph, display some text inside, 2-3 line. Blog end. This line you will copy paste at least 5-6 times. This division you copy paste 5-6 times. Same photo is also okay, same title is also fine. Anything copy paste 5-6 times. Okay, copy paste done. Same division, block to block you copy, paste after this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I wanted 4 and 4 in one line, 8, 9, and then 10. Same thing, I copy paste 10 times. Okay, copy paste happen 10 times. Photo will come big size. Through CSS, we need to control. For container, one place will write CSS. It will be managed all the places. Instead of float left, what we follow now? Display flags. In display only, you have used one more property. Display in line block. Sometimes we have written display in line also for a line. So display have how many values now? Display in line block, display block, display this one, call it flags, and we have called display none also. Display none means hide, it will not display anywhere. Display block means visible, display none means hide, display block means show. And even display block means cover how much? Full width. So come to the CSS part. That is not called container. You can, so this all you are writing where? Before media query. This all CSS we are writing before media query. Even you can write one line for body tag as well. A space is coming in between. Remove the set space. Margin 0px. A space is coming by default 8 pixel, that will go. Menu will cover full width. The space we have now or no space? No space. Stretching completely and covering the full width. Please write body margin how much? 0px. So for body tag, there is no any gap. And division to division I have written. You are supposed to copy and paste. Okay. Next, after this, right here for body this tab, for which tab? For has container. Container should cover their size 80%, 80%, and it should have margin auto. And even it should have display as a flex. Display as a flex. Display flex. Now what is happening? All becoming one line. all converted into same line. Photo and all are converted into single line. Next, which class we have followed? For every division, we have written a class. What is that? Block class, correct? Yeah. Block, we have a class. Keep margin for that 2%. Keep padding for that 1%. Margin padding. After that, apply the width. So after doing margin and padding, we want to make 4 blocks in one line. So what is going to come is 25% minus 6%. Right? 19% will be the width. 19%. 19% will be the width. Height, we need to add also. Height to keep 250. Float no need to add because you have added display flags for the parent level element. Image is there. Image you need to control. If you will not control the image, then image will be out of the box. Dot block space img. Inside the block, whichever the image you have written, width for image 100% is okay. 100% is okay. But height should be only half, like 110 you can give. Height 110 px. For the block you have given height, that will be wrong way. You should give mean height. Okay, minimum height let's keep up to 250. In case if any block have more content, the height should increase at 250. Hello. Hello. It's here on. Yeah. Coming. Daily interviews are coming. Yes. Today also one interview has come. Today also interview has come. Which batch you are attending? December batch. What time? 12:30. You are attending now? I have saved the name Govindra's 5 p.m. batch. Okay, okay. You can communicate with that number is there, no? 88841. So batch for the December batch is still next 12:30 is not confirmed. Batch is running already. React is going on that 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock will start, but date is not confirmed. You can follow up to her, so we'll guide you. CSS is going on. CSS is finishing tomorrow, Bootstrap. But you should know HTML, CSS, no JavaScript. Then only you can do React.js. Watch it. No problem. Once React is coming, so we'll update you. Or anyway, we are communicating in the group now. Or if you have any other query, you can call to her that number 88841. You can message me also. I'll guide you. Will take a still long time. Okay. Yes. Oh, see how it is coming. Look like this. Yes, sir. Because what we are given, width, how much you are given? 19% is not taking, right? All are trying to accommodate in the same line. We have to use a property called Flexwrap. Once you apply the property called Flexwrap, then this width will work. Which width? 19%. If you apply the Flexwrap, then it will work. So go to the container and use a property called flex-wrap wrap :wrap. Now the width will apply. Flex wrap as a wrap. Flex wrap as a wrap. Let us see now. What is the condition? How many? 4 are in one line exactly. Remaining 4 gone to the next line. But when we go to the small device, what will happen? It still remain same. How many? 4 only. So we have to write the media query. Already we have. We need to add this. In a small device, only 1 block. Medium device, 2 block. More than that, 4 block. Somewhere like that. So check once. Have added the flex wrap. After adding flex wrap, your face should work. We have added this all CSS. Blog space img, blog, and then container. The mobile space, if we increase the width, means to display only one more. One will display in one line, and next will go to the new line. Probably we have to change. We have to change the only width property of this one. Call it a blog. Everything remains same. In this one, 1 pixel to 650 pixel, you need to change only the width for blog. Okay, so container, blog, and then blog of img CSS. I shared you. I'm sharing you in the chat. You can use that also. Next, you will come to the media query part. So when it is happening as a small device, we have to change the width for blog. Okay. So in mobile phone, this is the mobile phone media query. 1 pixel to 650 pixel. Right. In that, we need to change the property. Let's come inside. Right call dot blog, and there you can change the width property to how much? 94 only, because already margin padding we are given 6%. 94 should be the width. Check again. Not fitting? Fitting. Dot blog, width 94%. So when it comes to the very small device, up to 650, it like this. But more than 650, you need to display 2 blog in one line. So width will come exact 44 for block class. Yeah, for block class, change the width to 44 up to 930 pixel, 950 pixel. So we'll go to the second media query section, 651 to 930, 950, 651 to 950. We require to write here block width 46% or 44. 44%. Let us see here. In medium device, what is the condition? Two are coming, but once it go little bigger, again 4 happen. Okay, so you have to convert into 3. We need to write one more media query. That will be 950 to 951 to 1051. Okay, 100 pixel range you can keep, or up to 1100 you can keep. 951 to 1100 pixel. Write another media query where width you do something where 3 blocks should come in one line. Only 3 block will come in one line. So @media screen and mean hyphen width, mean width, mean width 951 px and max width up to 1100 px. Up to 1100 px. Block width we can keep 33.33 minus 6. How much? 27.33. Then 3 blocks should fit in one line. Okay, space will be proper. Now using media query, what we are doing? Responsive we are doing through CSS. But we using media query, you are identifying what is the device width, what is the screen width. We will not say using media query we design a responsive page. Your answer should be little different. Responsive page you will do through CSS only. Media query also part of CSS, but people wanted to know a specific through media query what to do. So through media query, what we are doing now, we are identifying the window size, correct? Based on window size, you are writing the CSS, correct? So we'll answer whenever anyone asks, what is the media query? We'll say media query used to identify, it is the feature of CSS3. It used to identify the window width of user computer. Based on window width, we resize or we rearrange the content using the CSS. And that is called a responsive web design. Okay, that way. Okay, so we can check once. See, when we go here, so 3 happen. Later 4 happen. I should refresh my page. 3 is happening. But 3 is happening, it look like it's still compressed here. 2 is okay till here. But from here onwards, 3 is coming. You can see headlines are going to the Nav Line. Increase this little. Okay, 651 to till where? 1000. 651 to 1000. And then from 1000 to 1001 to 1200. 1000 from 1000 to 651 to 1000, 2 block, and 1001 to 1200, 3 blocks. More than 1200, how many? 4 block. So till here 2 is okay. Once we go more than this, then 3 is fine. So from here onwards, 3 is okay, 3 is okay, 3 is okay. Yeah. Hello. I am in somewhere. You can call me after 10-15 minutes. Okay. Next, after this, our next topic is bootstrap. Okay. Flex related some more properties have. You can have a look here. Where in W3, some 2-3 more properties should be there. Row column is the main one. What else is there? CSS. This margin padding you saw. Then coming here, overflow, we have not seen one. Okay, that I can guide you. Z index is also matter to understand. Here is the flex box. Box shadow, some transform, animation use media using this flex box. In this you have, okay, go to this container. These properties are there. Flexwrap you saw, flex flow, content, some more are there inside. If you want to extend some more time, then not today, tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow I will explain you some more things from here. But even you should have little habit to spend on internet time. Grid system we have in WhatsApp. Here also there is a grid, but it is customized grid. This is customized grid. In this, what is that? That's called a linear gradient. See what is that? Where is that? Where is that? You only know? Okay. So what is the date today? Wednesday. Then let's keep tomorrow and day after tomorrow in CSS only. Bootstrap will see from Monday. This grid we can see tomorrow, and then flex, grid and flex. It is not difficult, easy only. Just some example if you do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this file need to send in chat. I'll share you this one flex as well as position.